how can we find the darkest pixel or the lightest pixel on an image? Here's a tip. So in your layers panel, go ahead and make sure that your layer, your image, is on an individual layer, and add an adjustment layer. We're going to go all the way to the bottom and look at threshold. So by adding a threshold adjustment layer, we can look at the number of pixel count, and I'm going to go all the way to the top here, and you'll notice, move this out of the way, you'll notice that my white areas are decreasing. This is my number of pixels in this highest area, and if I go all the way down, it looks like right in this area will be my lightest pixel. I'm going to zoom in, using the command control and plus. There it is. Let's go in a little bit closer. All right, so I'm going to identify, let's see if we can walk this up just a tiny bit more. Right there, I'm going to click, and know that my color sampler will put the sample at the end of that little eyedropper tool. So I'm going to click right here and get one. Now let's go the opposite direction, drag it down. Let's zoom out. A quick command control 0 will bring me back to my full ability to see. Again, I'm not sure. Looks like the darkest pixels are in this area here. I see a couple little tiny dots. Here we go. Let's go down just a smidge more. Looks like I've got 2 remaining right here. I'm going to zoom in, and I'm going to put a color sample right there. Okay, let's go back to my flower. Turn off the threshold. I identified this as sample number 2, and sample number 1 is over here, and you can see how close I did get to my darkest and lightest pixel. So that's a quick tip on how you can easily identify those darkest pixels as well as the lightest pixels in an image.